In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your portfolio website with Notion in just 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in and get started on showcasing your achievements in a sleek and organized way. First, you'll want to open up Notion. If you haven't already logged in, that's the next step. So, head over to Notion's homepage and click on the Login button. If you don't yet have a Notion account, you can sign up easily right from the same page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at Notion Home. This space is your launchpad for organizing your projects, documents, and everything else you're working on. Now, focus on finding the marketplace within Notion. It's a fantastic resource that allows you to browse a variety of templates designed by the community and Notion team. Click on Marketplace and get ready for the next step. In the search bar of the marketplace, type in Portfolio Website. The search will pull up numerous results, giving you a selection of pre-designed templates to choose from. These templates are a great starting point as they've been crafted by experienced users and are sure to make your portfolio look professional and polished without having to start from scratch. Now, take a look at the templates that appear and carefully select one that suits your style and needs. You might be inclined towards a minimalistic design or perhaps something more colorful and detailed. Whatever your taste, there's likely an option that fits. Click on your desired template and it will open up in a new Notion page. Here's a tip. Before diving into customization, take a moment to explore the template. Notice how the sections are laid out. You might find ideas for organizing sections like experience, projects, skills, and contact info that you hadn't considered before. Once you've selected a template, customize it to reflect your personal brand. Add your name, a brief bio, and perhaps a professional photo. Populate the sections with your work experiences, showcase the projects you're proud of, and highlight the skills that set you apart. Remember, less is often more. Focus on clarity and impact rather than overloading your site with information. Take advantage of Notion's flexibility by embedding links, adding rich media, or connecting your site to other projects you're working on within Notion. This integration is one of Notion's strengths and can help make your portfolio not just a static page, but a dynamic work hub. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you're well on your way to having a fully functional and stylish portfolio site built with Notion. It's a powerful way to make a memorable impression, whether you're showcasing your work to potential employers, collaborators, or clients. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!